we're going to take the measurements that we need to draft our front bodice. Is the full width of bust. Measure around the fullest part of the bust to the arm's eye point. We measure around the above bust from side seam to side seam over to the apex point. The bust point distance from apex to apex, depth of bust measurement. We measure down from the nape of the neck down to the fullest part of the bust is the full length. We measure down through the fullest part of the apex, keeping the tape snug on the midriff down to the waist point. In the next video, we're going to take the measurements for the back bodice dress.